Look, if I were you, I would be growing as much as bell pepper as possible. I mean, as much as bell pepper, as much as everything is possible. Because the way the price is going up in the supermarket, it's unbelievable. So guys, in this video, I'm getting ready to show you guys how to grow multiple, and I mean lots of bell pepper in one shot. Yo, peep me out. It don't take much. I'm gonna get straight to the point, guys. First, you're gonna need some bell peppers. All right, definitely need some bell peppers. You're gonna take that bell pepper, you're gonna cut it, and you're gonna find some seeds in it. Okay, you see these? These are seeds, guys. Lots of it, and I mean lots of it. Okay, let me show you. Take this, cut this like this. Be careful not to cut yourself, but you could pretty much get it like this. You see that? That's a lot of seeds. And believe it or not, you could regrow this all in one shot. You don't necessarily have to put one seeds per pot. See, what I do is this. I grab some soil. All right. Just a little bit of soil. You don't really need much, but I'm gonna fill this up because we're getting ready to plant a lot of bell pepper seeds. And I mean, this happened in one shot. If it takes a week for a seed to sprout, that means it's gonna take all the seeds, most of the seeds gonna sprout. It's really simple, guys. And once you get this filled up, you wanna go ahead and grab that bell pepper, okay? Look at here, let me get closer for you guys to see. You grab that bell pepper, look at all these seeds. Unbelievable. And this is what you do, guys. You just spread it all around. You see that? It's really easy. Really easy. And this right here gonna give you lots of bell pepper. And that's just one side of it, guys. I still got the other half over there. And look at that. It's unbelievable. Now you just shake it all around. Bam. It's gone. Okay? Spray it with some water and you're done. And this is what you're gonna get. This is the type of results you're gonna get. You're gonna get this type of result from it. You see that? And you know what I'm getting ready to do with that? I'm getting ready to plant them individually in some pots. You see these pots? Bam. Easy, 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 guys. Right now, everything is going up in the supermarket. Price is extremely high. So my thing is right now, as you can see, and so look, another set of peppers right here. Look, they growing like crazy. Look at here. Look at this tree. This tree is beautiful. Yes. And you guys could do the same. Look at that. This one here, this is a bell pepper that's actually flowering everywhere. That's a little baby one. I broke the head of it, but we're gonna see what happens. But anyways, come back over here. So guys, you see the process? It's really easy, real simple. You know, again, you know, it's time consuming. That's the only thing. It's really time consuming, but it's worth the labor. Believe me when I tell you, it's worth the labor. So don't think, you know, this is terrible. It's not that terrible. It's gonna work out. All right. You see all these fruits I got on that pepper, on these pepper plants. It's amazing, right? And I'm sure you guys are gonna do the same. So look, guys, now we have 3. That's like what? You know, at Walmart, these things going for like $2.47 a piece, believe it or not. And look at what nature gave us. A whole bunch for free. It takes about a week for it to sprout. And then this is about 2 weeks. It takes about 2 weeks for you to see that. So I'd rather wait and save my money. I'd rather wait and save my money. So guys, don't forget, this is the trick. They're doing the same thing and selling it to you at a higher price because they put in the time for that. And anything somebody put in time into, they deserve to get paid. So I don't blame them, because we're too lazy to do it. And I'm showing you guys how easy it is. It's very, very easy to do this, man. Don't think it's hard. You know, it's nothing hard about it. Look at it. That's 4 plants real quick, and I still have more to go. Isn't it that's beautiful? Look, I have so much here. My neighbor came and dropped these off to me the other day. And look, they've been sitting in the sun for a while. They even got worse, but the seeds are still good. We could still plant with these seeds. In fact, you could actually cut them open and save the seeds for next season and next season and next season. You'll have seeds for lifetime. Just off these, man. Lifetime. Because it takes 1 pepper to give you all these seeds. So imagine how many seeds I got from these pepper plants. You know what I mean? How many seeds that's coming from these pepper plants I could regrow year after year after year. But I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm actually growing them all at once. So I don't have to worry about growing them next year. By next year, these plants will be this high, you know? So that's what I'm talking about. And these ones too, they'll be real tall by next year. And you could grow peppers years after years on the same tree or on the same plant, believe it or not, right? Well, guys, thank you for watching. I just give you a whole lot of game. Don't forget, guys, tell me where you're coming from. Drop it in the comment below. Let me know where you're from, where you're watching from, and let me know if you have done anything like this before, because, you know, I'm sure somebody's doing this, because it's a lot faster. It saves a lot of money. It saves a lot of time. And guys, I think this is the proper way to grow peppers. If you're gonna grow some peppers, go hard or go home. That's just simple as that. I'm out. Got it in the soil. So remember, keep it moist. This is the next step, is to keep it moist. Once it's moist, you know, the seeds will sprout in less than a week. All right? It's no joke about this, guys. This is some real deal Holyfield game I'm giving you guys. Just keep it moist. And what you're gonna get, you're gonna get this. And don't forget to harvest.